Hey everyone, Becca here with Basics by Becca, and today I want to share with you a membership platform that I use to create limitless content. So basically, I use this platform to create all the content that I need for either my social media, my blog, and it includes stock photos and templates. And I'm really excited to share this with you today, and I think that it will be very beneficial for you content creators out there. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'll give you a little tutorial. So to just share with you a little bit of background information, Pixistock was created by a fellow female entrepreneur called Alicia. And so she has created these photos and template library to help other female entrepreneurs and content creators. Okay, so I am signed into my Pixistock membership account, and I want to show you three things that I think would be very beneficial. So the first tab here is content to profit, and it actually includes a course, calendar, and planner access. So when you click on that, you will see that there are some videos for you to basically start creating content and tutorials to basically move that content to profit. So I think that this is actually a really, really good benefit of this particular membership site because you can actually watch these videos and get some training and experience with creating content. So let's go back to this right here. This is the Pixistock photo and template library access. And then right here to the right is join the member community. So they have a great Facebook online community where you can go in and ask questions and speak with other members of the community as well as Alicia herself. So let's go into the Pixistock photo and template access library. And this is by far, of course, my favorite part of this membership is really having access to all these goodies up here. So as you see, it's starting with the stock photos. They have a lot of stock photos that you can choose from, and you can refine them by color, by size, by niche. So for example, if you're in the business niche, you can just click this business tab right here and it'll go ahead and sort those for you, which is really great. Now, I want to go up here to the templates because I think this is the gem of the whole membership is basically having access to all these different templates. So every type of content that you need for your online business is here in these templates. And these templates all work with Canva. So basically all you need is a Canva account and you just click on these tabs here and you can download those templates to Canva and just go in, change your font, change your colors if you want to have them match your brand, if you want to be a little creative. This is the place to do it. So everything is here for you and it's all in the categories of Instagram, other social media. So I use quite a bit of the Pinterest pins. I use the YouTube thumbnails. This thumbnail that I have for this particular YouTube video is from the membership vault. And I love using it to create these digital products. So I love ebooks and workbooks and checklists. So I use this membership to be able to create these quickly and easily. So what I love about this too, and I'll have you check out some of the templates a little bit here if you go into the ebooks and workbooks, which I like to personally create. This will show you a little preview of some of the ones that are available for you. And you can go in, like I said, and change the colors, change the font, and really tweak it to however you'd like to tweak it to create. Now, what I love is this too, is to build your own book. And this is one of my favorite parts of the membership is being able to build your own book. So you can build the perfect ebook, workbook, PDF guide. And here you see like you can create the ebook by using these different tabs right here. So if you want to add a table of contents to your ebook, and about me, chapter title, if you want to add a checklist, it's all here for you. So This definitely helps me to streamline my content creation across all the platforms that I personally use and to just create content that is valuable and good. And I love this. I find so much value within this membership. So I'll leave a link for it below in the description in case you want to check it out yourself. I believe that you can go ahead and download, I think, some free stock photos and some free templates. And then if you decide that you really like it, you can go ahead and join the membership. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye bye.